We are looking at the tools and techniques of defined activities process. Our first tool and technique is decomposition. We have used decomposition earlier when we created the WBS. We started with the project at a level 0 of the WBS, and then we broken it down into phases. And then we broke down the phases into deliverables. And then we decomposed again further the deliverables till we reach the lowest level of the WBS, which is work package. When to stop decomposing into deliverables? Remember, you should continue to break down till you can generate accurate time and cost estimates. You should ask yourself a question that if the WBS element at this level would add any value to the management in terms of the summary item. Here in define activities process, we are using decomposition again. But this time we are not going to decompose work package further into the deliverables. However, we are going to decompose the work package into smaller, more manageable components of work called activities. In simple terms, we can say that we are going to define list of activities that will result in creation of the work package. However, certain rules are recommended to be followed when we are creating the activities, such as 880 rule or 440 rule. 880 rule means that no activity shall be less than the duration of 8 hours, or it should not be more than 8 hours. The other version of this rule is 440 rule, which similarly states that no activity should be less than 4 hours or it should not be greater than 40 hours. Depending on which rule is applicable in your current project situation, you can use that. The reasoning behind these rules is that if the task is too large, it is very hard to estimate accurately. But if we have smaller tasks, we can easily estimate accurately. If you give someone a task that you estimate it will take 6 weeks to complete, the deadline is so far out there that it's hard for the resource to know exactly how much she has left to do. She's not likely to realize she is lagging behind until it's too late. On the other hand, if some assignment is broken down into 1 week or 1 week chunks, the procedure becomes clearer. Cutting assignments into 1 week chunks also reduces the overall risks to the project. If 1 week task goes wrong halfway through, you have lost a couple of days. However, if 6 week task goes halfway wrong, you will lose weeks of effort. All right, excellent job. Get going. I shall see you in the next lecture.